Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, here's up. My name is Kaylin, and today it's finally time to do another zodiac sign in my series. Today is Virgo. I know this is super late in the Virgo season, but I had a lot of trouble with this one, you guys. Like, Virgos to me are probably one of the hardest signs to figure out because I feel like they're not like a cookie cutter. Like, that sounds bad for every other sign, but I feel like Virgo is not like a one size fits all with the characteristics that you typically think of with a Virgo. Like, I know Virgos who are really outgoing, but some that are really shy. And I feel like it's just like very different depending on the Virgo. But the one characteristic that I feel like is the same all across the board is they are super hardworking, super goal-oriented, and super successful. One thing that really stuck out to me about Virgos is I was looking at like celebrity Virgos just to get a feel for it, because Virgos are hard. And the two that stuck out to me the most were Beyonce and Tim Burton. And I feel like that's about as opposite as you can get. Beyonce is the queen of pop and like this beautiful pop Barbie doll type girl who's super pretty, super fierce, super like in your face. And then you have Tim Burton, who's just like the most out there eccentric person ever. So I feel like Virgo is just a weird sign, I guess. I really like the sign of Virgo, and I really respect how driven they are. So I wanted a look that was inspired by that. It's something that's very minimalistic but still really noticeable. A very quick, easy to do look that's still pretty. Like, I feel like they're the queen of glam in 5 minutes. So that's what I wanted to go for. I did a gold eye with some white over top because I didn't want it to be like super gold, and I did stick with a white shirt just to like go with the innocence that most Virgos are associated with. So I hope you guys like this look, and I hope that it says Virgo to you. So yeah, I also did just like a cute little side ponytail thing because I feel like Virgos are too busy to have their hair in their face, so they're just gonna do something quick, simple, throw it back, make it still look cute by leaving half of it down kind of thing. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you want to see how I created this Virgo inspired look, then just keep watching.